Okay, so this is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Huntington 3 ceiling fan, which is installed in this bedroom at Roblox House. It's the same one that's the same house that has the Hampton Bay Reddington, which is downstairs. So I'm going to film this fan today. So we'll get started on the light. Here's the light. Here's low. And the blades do sag on this fan, so don't worry. Now that I filmed all those fans, I guess guys could see the fan all right. I don't think I can leave the light on for this fan. Of course, cooking in the kitchen, of course. Usually, when I film video screen recordings, sometimes I do it in my room. I did in various locations, like in my room. Sometimes I do it in the master closet, because these are one of the quietest spaces. And sometimes I film videos in the main bathroom, which is I'm at right now, which is actually the most quietest rooms in the house, actually. Show medium. Wait a minute. Okay, here's medium. I don't know why I did that for some reason. Of course, there's smoke detectors right there. And you could tell this is also known as the girls' room because it's actually a pink color type of color. So high. Here's high. Here's the top shot of it. You could see the inside of the motor on this fan. You could just at least see the inside of it. The motor, of course, and of course in there, as you can see inside, and there's the capacitor, which makes the fan run, is the capacitor of this fan. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.